Hello. So ANGE and Amazon have asked me to review my recent purchase of a ANGE hairdryer. So I had this for probably about 5 years, but it was this one that I had. So while it lasted for 5 years, a couple nights ago, I had a very strong electrical smell, which then caused my GFI in the bathroom to flip, and then I lost the lights in the bathroom and the bedroom. So while everything was okay, I believe that something failed in the dryer. So I can't be without a dryer. I have long hair. I try to keep it very healthy. I don't blow dry my hair often at all. I am in the stage of letting my grays come in, so I do get frizzy hair sometimes, especially in Florida. So I feel like ANGE really helps with that. You could do the cool air, and I feel like it smooths my hair a lot. And it also dries it pretty quickly without getting super, super hot. It was my first purchase of a hairdryer. The Soleil pink one was pretty expensive when I first got it 4 or 5 years ago. This one was almost $60, so it was quite a difference. And I know there's a new and improved one for like $200, but I really didn't feel I needed to get that because I was really happy with the one I had. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see. I may reach out to ANGE just to make sure that it's not a knockoff and it is real, but those things kind of worry me sometimes. So we'll see how it goes. Have a great day.
I love this hairdryer. It's my second one to buy. The other one I keep in my travel bag. This one I'm keeping in my guest bathroom. It has 3 heat settings and 2 power settings. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's lightweight. Everyone that uses them loves them.
The professional hairdryer, it's very quiet, very nice, super affordable, temperature controlled.